We're at the Beachwalk Shopping Center. Guys, what is that? Oh.
So cute. See, you can touch this. It has Lego.
यार ऐसा पॉइंट नहीं करते मैं तुम क्या बोला?
We did not like it. Wow, कितना अच्छा है ना कैंडल।
You guys found another one? How many are there in this mall?
There's an elephant, there's a monkey. We need a tree for this. There's a tree. Beautiful shadow. Thank you. Beautiful shadow. I'll take a video. Okay, for that beautiful channel. So you guys have to show me what is this. So guys, what you found today?
We're going up, guys, to the playground. Okay.
So guys, I used to be scared on the X5.
So this mall is by the beach, right?
And look down there.
Yeah. Okay, let's find.
Let's find the playground, guys.
Playground, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to ask somebody this? Playground? Playground? Okay, thank you. Wow, that place is so cool, Naju. This whole place. Oh, that's the playground. Okay guys, listen. So it's gonna be for 1 hour only, okay?
Okay.
And you have to pay them here. You wanna slide? Nice. Naju. Good job.